Nandito tayo ngayon sa park, guys. Balik tayo dito sa malaking park. Ayan. So, may ano doon. May mga bata na naglalaro. Naglalaro ng soccer. Yan. Tapos may, I don't know if you notice, K9. Yan. May police car. Tsaka may dalawang police officer na naglalakad doon banda. Let's check. Para sa ating safety. Okay. Huh?
Yes,
What happened?
I opened it myself.
Yeah. Balik kami dito sa big park, guys, kasi para for the same reason, para makapaglaro si Rachel. Yan, maraming bata dito ngayon, first day ng school. Yan, late na. Yeah. Lang kami. Stay lang kami dito ng maybe mga 1 hour. Yan. Nandun na siya. Naka-on yung doon. Yung water. Where are you going? Huh? I guess dito kami mauuna. Ang asawa ko. Dito tayo, guys. I like these beautiful tall trees over here. I wonder how long they've been here. Yeah. I wonder how old they are. Look at Rachel. Para makatulog og sayo, uy. Kaya palagi ko siyang dinadala sa labas para makapaglaro, para makatulog siya ng maaga. Ito ang pinakagusto ko dito. Tipong ka na? You're feeling dizzy? Okay.
I did.
Stop! Okay. You wanna swing? Okay. Do you need for me to push you? Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, where did you leave your scooter? Oh, okay, good. Next to that. Okay, good. Ouch. Uh-huh. That's good? All right.
I'll tell you when you go up.
Uh-huh. Higher.
I can see your eye. I won't go up.
That one or this one? Where you wanna go?
May mga lamok na naman guys. Actually, hindi siya talaga yung lamok na lamok. I don't know if it's not, pero masakit siya masyadong kumagat. Yan. Um, it's good na summertime na, pero ang disadvantage din kasi kapag pumupunta ka ng mga park dito, yung ibang parks, or kahit sa mga backyards, ano, may nangangagat. Tawagin na lang natin sa pangalang lamok. Pero mas grabe pa sila sa lamok guys. Mas grabe, sakit kaayo. Sometimes namumula yung ilong ko kapag ginagagat ako. Yeah. Nandun yung asawa ko. Kausap niya yung anak niya na lalaki. Yan. He's giving him advice about his education. Yan. Kasi magka-college na siya guys. I haven't been feeling good lately. I think mga almost 3 weeks na. Parang nanghihina ako. I mean, I know that I need to do some exercise. Babalik ako ng gym siguro. Yeah, I'm thinking about this week actually. Doon guys, naka-on yung, ano bang tawag doon? Hindi ako sure, pero I'm calling it water sprinkler. Yan, naka-on siya. Maganda sana, kaso lang, hindi kasi natin sure. Yeah. Madaming mga bata na naglalaro doon. Oo. This is one of the things that I'm going to miss kapag mag-move na kami ng Pilipinas. Yan. So, I'm trying to take as much videos as I can para, marami tayong mga memories. Dito. Are you okay there? Rachel? You're good? Are you okay? All right. So, may nakita akong police car, dalawang police car kasi may naglalaro dito ng soccer ngayon mga bata. Yan din yung isang gusto ko dito, parang mas mabilis silang rumisponde, like pag tumawag ka ng 911 or, emergency, madali silang mag-respond. Kaso lang, minsan, parang nagagamit din yung, ano ba sasabihin? Nagka-social status, pero, yeah, kasi alam naman natin na may division talaga dito sa States, di ba, between the black and whites. So, in most cases, nagagamit din, especially kapag black versus white din. They're fast to point fingers. So, ganun talaga. That is why we always have to pray for our protection. Okay, so mag-walk ako later on kapag nagsawa na si Rachel na maglaro. Okay, see you guys. Ayun yata yung dalawang police officer. Oh, may nakita. They're coming this way. Maybe they're just checking. I don't know.
Martha! Mar.
Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Ang hirap. There you go.
Can you push it back?
Okay, wait. Dali na. So funny kasi may mga ano dito. May mga mommy na naglalaro sa road. Nagkat-kat. Ay nako. Wala nila na-enjoy ilahang youth. Or ilang kabataan. Ay nako. You go, Rachel. Harder. Nandito si Daddy. Daddy. Say hi.
Hello.
Dali na. Ayun siya. Yo, mama. Dito, madumi masyado ang ano ko. Halata ba siya sa camera? Yan. Go, Rachel. Ay, nako. I don't know if I still have time to walk. Yung nag-enjoy pa man akong anak. Nag-enjoy pa masyado si Rachel. Tapos it's gonna get dark in a little while. Yung dalawang police officer doon or sheriff, yan, nagabaktas-baktas sila. I wonder kung kung may nangyari dito. Yeah, minsan kasi kapag like may mga insidente, so nag-a-assign sila ng mga police officer to check the area. Yan. Kaya ako hindi ko talaga pinapabayaan yung anak ko. We always keep an eye on her. Kay maraming saraulo dito. Mas siraulo pa sa Pilipinas. Yan. Kahit nandyan na yung mama sa tabi na the guy was able to lure the kid. Kumusta, Daddy?
Mabuti ikaw.
Kumusta si
Ano
Kuya?
ginagawa mo ikaw?
Just taking some clips, some memories. Yeah. Kumusta si Kuya? Mabuti? Opo. You had a very long talk with Kuya.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, good. I think 2 hours.
Oh, yeah.
Or more than an hour. Yeah, of course. You were already talking to him when you came home to pick me up.
Oh, that's good.
Dito muna tayo, guys, kay nandito na pala si Rachel. So, balik tayo sa mga things or mga bagay na mamimiss ko dito sa sa States. This is, like yung simple things na I get to enjoy over here which I didn't get to enjoy in the Philippines, like kagaya nito park. Nakakaano kasi talaga, guys, nakakaalis ng stress, marirelax ka talaga and you don't have to pay, of course, kasi this is free. Yeah. Love you.
Love you too.
You want to take a walk now?
Yeah.
Okay, you can get your stroller though. I said stroller, scooter. Yan. Kasi nga free, diba? Which is sa area namin. Yeah, walang ganito. So, pinapa-enjoy ko si ang anak ko. Kasi alam ko na kapag umalis na kami dito, wala nang ganito. Tapos yung mga beaches dito guys, white sand and maganda talaga. You're tired? Huh? What?
I'm not feeling good.
Oh, okay, come on. Maybe you need some water. Okay, wait man. Yeah.
Let's do it.
Magpahinga daw muna siya guys kasi napagod siya masyado. Opo. I'm gonna ask my husband. Nagdadala talaga ako ng tubig. Akala ko tinawag ako ni Rachel, sorry. So nagdadala talaga ako ng tubig and tsaka extra food kapag lumalabas kami kasi in case magutom yung isa sa amin, you know, meron na kaagad na instant food na pwede namin makain. Yan. You okay now? Or maybe you need
I
water?
don't need water. I'm okay.
Okay, you're just too tired?
Yeah.
Alright. Yan. So, do you think you can still take a walk after a while?
No, I can't.
Even if you, okay, what
I
if you
can't
use
do it anymore.
No? Alright. So, I'm just gonna, Daddy, yeah, I think I'm just gonna walk by myself if that's okay with you. She said she's too tired now. She was on the swing for so long.
Not because of the swing, because
Yeah, I guess it was because of the what do you call that spinning thing. Yeah. Okay, so ako na lang siguro guys, pero hintay-hintay na lang muna tayo kasi napagod masyado ang anak ko. Grabe guys, oh, ang sweat.
Mama,
Say hi.
better now.
Thank you. Okay, look at the sun. Okay, hindi pa nga ako naglakad. Pinawisan na ako. Yan. So, nakapag-smile na tayo guys. Nahihiya kasi akong mag-smile pag sa public. Yan, kasi yung ibang, of course, di ba, kahit sino naman siguro, yung mga tao tumitingin, ganon. Yan. Feel better now? Let's take a walk quickly.
No, don't have to do it.
Okay. I didn't hear, I'm sorry. So I guess this is it for our vlog. So how do you feel now?
I feel good.
Okay. So maybe we'll just stop by somewhere and then we'll go home. Okay, anyway, ito na lang muna yung ating
Somewhere to get some food and then also get a little
Hindi yan
treat.
Agoy. Wala yan sa plano natin today. Na kami kakain sa sa Panda. Kaso lang, medyo malamig masyado and Rachel wasn't feeling good at that time. So kaya nag-decide kami na umuwi na lang dito. Anyway, ito na lang muna sa ating park video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye! Bye! Say bye, Daddy! See? That's what I'm talking about. Tapos,
Give me the $8.
okay. Ayan, sandali lang guys ha. Nandito kami sa gas station. Magpagasolina lang kami. At inaantok na ang aking anak. It is 7 minutes to 8. So, we're just gonna stop by at Panda Express. Doon na lang kami kakain. Then after that, matulog na, di ba? Yan, natutulog na. That's what I'm talking about.